Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking a very popular chicken chow mein, which you should be able to find it in all the Chinese takeouts and restaurants. My recipe is very simple and tastes way better and healthier than ordering outside. Okay, let's get started now. 250 gram chicken meat. I used the chicken breast, but chicken thigh is also good for this recipe. Cut the chicken meat against the grain. As I want to eat a bigger piece of the meat, I cut it to about half a centimeter wide. Marinate the chicken meat with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oil, half teaspoon garlic powder, and some white pepper powder. Mix well all the seasoning with the chicken meat and then put aside waiting for cooking. About 2 handfuls of cabbage. Remove the hard stem in the middle of the leaf and then cut it to bite sizes. Wash clean under the tap water. I also want to have some greens in this recipe. Therefore, I used the 1 big pak choy. For the smaller size pak choy, you can use 2 pieces. Cut the bottom and wash clean under the tap water. Half an onion, slice it, and then separate the layers. Half a carrot and slice it. I use carrot to enhance the color only. If you like to eat carrot, you can use more. 2 shiitake mushroom and slice it. I forgot to film while I was cutting just now. Finally, we prepare a cornstarch water before cooking. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 60 ml water. Mix the water well with the cornstarch and then put aside waiting for cooking. Now we start cooking. I used the 1 egg noodle in this recipe, which is enough for 2 servings for my appetite. Cook the noodle in boiling water until it is fully loosened. And then drain the water and rinse the noodles under the tap water until it is fully cooled down. Heat up the wok and then put 1 tablespoon oil to it. Put the chicken meat to the hot oil, pan fry or saute until both sides turn white. And then push to the side of the wok. Put the shiitake mushrooms in. Saute the shiitake mushroom until the aroma is slightly released, and then mix with the chicken meat and saute for about another minute. Push to the side and put the onion in. Toast the onion for a few times and then mix with the chicken and shiitake mushroom. A few more toasts and then put the carrot slices and cabbage in. Mix and toast all the ingredients together for a few times. And then put in 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 90 ml water, and some white pepper powder. Give it a few stirs to mix well the seasonings with the ingredients. And then put the lid on and cook for 1 minute. 1 minute later, open the lid, give it a few stirs, and then do a final tasting. Adjust the savory level to your preference by adding more salt. Few more stirs to mix the salt with the food, and then put the pak choy in. Mix the pak choy with other ingredients. and then put in the cornstarch water that we prepared just now. Remember to give the cornstarch water a good mix before pouring to the wok, as the cornstarch tends to stay at the bottom of the water. Give everything a good stir until the sauce is thickened. Put the noodle in and mix the noodle well with all the ingredients. Finally, put 1 teaspoon sesame oil in, a few more toasts, and this noodle is done. This recipe is quick, versatile, and very delicious. Noodle is chewy and coated with flavorful, savory sauce. Chicken is tender and the vegetable is crisp. I hope you will give this recipe a try and will like it too. If you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!